Ms.Kiki, your fun-time conversational Korean tutor. When you want to say other than that in natural Korean, what would you say? Hey, how was your trip to Korea, Chi-Chi? I really liked it. I especially enjoyed Seoul, the capital. Oh yeah? What's your impression about Seoul? I'm also planning to go there. Foods are amazing, great places for shopping, and the public transportation was wonderful, so convenient and economical. That sounds perfect. Well, except for one thing. It was so crowded everywhere, always packed with people. Seriously, I don't want to be packed with crowds. But, other than that, Seoul is a great city to travel. I highly recommend. In this case, you might want to separate the good things out of bad things. In English, you can say, other than that. In conversational Korean, we'd say, 그거 빼고는, or 그거 말고는. Now, let's use this expression in real-life examples. What's she like? Well, she's sometimes late and goes on my text messages. 하지만 그것 말고는 she's a great woman. How is the party preparation going? Well, the cake hasn't arrived yet. Maybe I should call the bakery again. 그거 빼고는 everything is fine. Don't forget to practice 그거 빼고는 in your daily life, and I hope to see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye!